ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Nadu kapor kharoi bejimen step hadu kapor shi bejimen singi on Khang yak Surok nadu Air Force terter hadu bandapoi hamau plang. Nadu kapor architect men singi hadu kapor lai bejin no phai singi pat on Khang yak Surok namau plang IB terter hadu bandapoi halau Kyntang. Hadin kata par on Khang biang yak Surok nadu mau plang hadu Shillong nadu kapor sau beji janmet hadu kapor sanchiteng janmet.
The area will be affected, especially the Umsati bridge, right from the Raj Bhavan up to Moflang. Okay. So we have already asked the people not to park the vehicle on the roadside during the moment of the VIPs. And thereafter, we will be just stopping the traffic for 30 minutes, depending on the flow of the traffic and the density of the traffic. So before arrival, timing it will be depend on the arrival of the VIP. Before 30 minutes arrival of the VIP, we are going to stop the vehicle at certain points. So the vehicle will not be allowed to move towards the Moflang first. Because the VIP she will be going to Moflang, and from Moflang she will come back to Raj Bhavan. So there are certain points that it will depend on the timing of departure and the arrival. That before 30 minutes, we are going to stagger the vehicle. So that's why we are requesting the public also unnecessary. However, this will not affect the emergency services like ambulance. The sick people, no? Ambulance, the sick people, those who are traveling by the road. So we will allow those vehicles subject to the verification that it is a genuine case. Shillong, as of now, we are not putting any no entry. But as soon as the VIP will depart, it depends on the timing. So before that, we are going to stagger the vehicles which are coming towards the Raj Bhavan. So the area will be affected as the Barik. Barik, then after that, Pinewood Junction. Pinewood and Barik. That area will be affected. So we are going to hold the vehicles, including the Old Chera, MES, Point. So those are the routes which are on the highway. That route will be hold up for some time.
Only the area where the VIP are moving.
Otherwise all the areas, not all the areas, we are just going to impose any kinds of. Otherwise, the traffic will be diverted because similarly the vehicles coming from Dempsey and DDA, if the traffic, if that staggering is there, so these people they can go move from BK Bazaria towards Laibukra. Similarly, the people those who wants to go to the Laban from Barik during the staggering area, staggering time. The people those who want to go to Laban, they can go via Hatri Park. So that route will be open.
But the timing is not sure. Timing is not sure.
It depends so we will announce because only the wording. It will depend on the VIP's arrival. Before 30 minutes, we are going to stagger the main points, main junctions. Like the area which will be, so to say, that 7th mile, 7 mile, the South Junction, then Monga Bazaar. So these are the areas which will be staggered. Depending on the timing of the VIP, before 30 minutes, we will stop all the vehicles.